to take photos like this using glass and water droplets.
At first we can choose a location like window glass or a bath shower glass and sprinkle water droplets on the glass. Don't sprinkle too much. The idea is to take photos of a face that is behind the glass through the water droplets. Here I'm using portrait mode of iPhone 8 Plus phone to capture photos. Click on the face that you want to take photos and make sure the focus is correct, and you can start taking random photos. The face may look blurred if you pour more water on the glass. You can also find the other photography technique videos in my channel using the links mentioned in the description. You can share your opinion or feedback or any doubts related to the video in the comment section below. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell. See you with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.